The CNBC Fed Survey shows that respondents are still convinced that the central bank will remain on hold for now, despite the surge in inflation. The first rate hike not expected until November 2022, just one meeting earlier than in our last survey. And they also don't think the Fed will even start tapering until January. That's after the economy will already be back on track. Now, on average, respondents are forecasting that inflation will peak by November and economic activity would be fully restored by the end of Q4. Now, this is the first time that inflation has ranked as the #1 concern among respondents, ahead of even the pandemic. But the majority, 60%, still think that it is transitory. Only 29% believe it's permanent. The same is true for the labor market. 77% think the worker shortage is temporary and will eventually sort itself out, compared to about a fifth who think it'll be longer lasting. Bottom line, the majority of respondents agree with the Fed's stance. It doesn't need to raise rates now. However, there is a feeling that there's a lot of accommodation in the system, and respondents want to see the Fed address that immediately by reducing asset purchases. Guys, a reminder that the consensus in the Fed's own forecast is that the first rate hike won't happen until 2023. Our survey shows that respondents believe the central bank does have some breathing room, but that it won't be able to wait quite that long.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.